The pied kingfisher, a small bird with a big beak, a third of its body length. When defending their territories, they produce a stream of shrill chirps. But when hunting, they are masters of stealth, wings beating 8 times a second, setting their sights. They dive. As they hit the water, kingfishers use their sonic secret weapon to catch fish unawares. Their long cone-shaped beaks can enter the water without making a sound. Or even a ripple, giving the birds a 15-millisecond head start on their prey. The shape of their beaks makes them so stealthy, it's influenced the design of high-speed trains. The long, pointed nose preventing sonic booms as the engines rocket through tunnels. The kingfisher's ability to minimize sound make them one of the Delta's most successful anglers.